Ever wondered how safe you are in the digital world? As we dive deeper into the digital universe, our lives become more entwined with it, making the landscape of cybersecurity paramount. The digital threats are real, growing in number and sophistication each day. They're not just limited to tech enthusiasts or digital natives anymore, but touch every corner of our cybernetic existence. So remember, in this digital age, cybersecurity is not an option but a necessity. So, what exactly is cybersecurity? Think of cybersecurity as your personal bodyguard in the digital world, always on duty, tirelessly working to protect your online presence from threats. It's like an invisible shield that safeguards your valuable data, be it personal or professional, from the multitude of cyber threats lurking in the digital space. Now, you may wonder, why is cybersecurity so important? Well, as our lives become more and more digitized, we are creating a treasure trove of data online. This data, if left unprotected, can be an easy target for cybercriminals. From your bank details to your social media activity, everything can be exploited if not adequately safeguarded. Living in this digital age, it's crucial to understand that cybersecurity isn't just a concept, but a necessity impacting every aspect of our daily lives. It's about protecting our digital identities, our finances, even our reputations. It's about safeguarding our present and securing our future. So, what are these cyber threats we keep talking about? There's a vast universe of them, but let's focus on a few common ones. First up, we have malware, malicious software designed to cause harm to your systems or data. Then, there's phishing, a deceptive tactic used to trick you into revealing your personal information. Ransomware is another serious threat, where your data is held hostage until a ransom is paid. And let's not forget identity theft, where your personal information is stolen to commit fraud. These threats might sound intimidating, but don't worry, that's where cybersecurity comes in. With the right knowledge, tools, and practices, you can effectively shield yourself from these digital predators. It's about knowing what to click, what to download, and whom to trust online. In conclusion, cybersecurity isn't a luxury, it's a necessity. It's not just about protecting your data, but about protecting your digital life. It's about being aware, being prepared, and being safe. Understanding cybersecurity is the first step towards protecting ourselves in the digital world. How can we build our fortress in this digital world? It starts with understanding the tools at our disposal and implementing them effectively. First, let's talk about passwords. They are like the first line of defense, the castle walls of your digital fortress. While it's tempting to use something easy to remember, like your pet's name or your favorite movie, a strong password is non-negotiable. Mix it up with upper and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Keep it unique and change it regularly. Next up, two-factor authentication, or 2FA. Think of it as the moat around your castle. It adds another layer of security by requiring something you know, your password and something you have, like a mobile device. So even if someone cracks your password, they still can't access your account without that second factor. Now, secure browsing. This is like the watchtower of your fortress, providing oversight on potential threats. Always look for the padlock icon in the address bar, indicating a secure connection. Be cautious of suspicious links and pop-ups. They could be traps set by cyber invaders. Regular software updates are also crucial. They're like the reinforcements to your fortress, patching up any vulnerabilities that could be exploited. Yes, updating can be a bit of a hassle, but it's a small price to pay for safeguarding your digital realm. Finally, let's not forget about cybersecurity tools and software. They are the knights in shining armor, always ready to battle any cyber threats. From antivirus software to firewalls, these tools are designed to detect and neutralize threats, keeping your digital fortress secure. Remember, cybersecurity isn't a one-and-done deal. It's an ongoing process of maintaining, updating, and fortifying your defenses. But don't be daunted. Just like building a physical fortress, it takes time, patience, and vigilance. Building your digital fortress is an ongoing process, but with the right steps, you can stay ahead of cyber threats. So, arm yourself with knowledge, implement these security measures, and remain vigilant. After all, your digital fortress is only as strong as its weakest link. Cybersecurity is not just about technology, it's about our behavior too. Indeed, the world of cybersecurity goes beyond firewalls, encryption, and antivirus software. It's also about the choices we make, the habits we adopt, and the vigilance we exercise. Let's talk about cyber hygiene. This is a term that refers to the practices and steps that users of computers and other devices take to maintain system health and improve online security. Cyber hygiene is to the digital world what personal hygiene is to the physical world. Firstly, we must resist the urge to click on suspicious links. Just like you wouldn't pick up a random object off the street, you shouldn't click on a link that you didn't expect or that comes from an unknown source. Cybercriminals often use these links to install malware on your device or trick you into revealing personal information. Secondly, never share sensitive information online unless it's necessary and you're sure the recipient is trustworthy. This includes anything from your social security number to your mother's maiden name. In the wrong hands, this data can be used to steal your identity or commit other forms of cybercrime. Thirdly, be aware of online scams. Phishing emails, fake tech support calls, and bogus websites are just a few examples of the many ways cybercriminals try to trick us. They play on our fears, our desires, and our trust to get what they want. Remember, if something seems too good to be true, it probably is. But cyber hygiene is not a one-time deal. It's an ongoing commitment. We must stay updated on the latest threats and continuously educate ourselves on safe online behavior. We must be vigilant, not just now, but always. Why is this so important? Because the stakes are high. One wrong click, one shared secret, one moment of distraction can lead to devastating consequences. But by practicing good cyber hygiene, we can significantly reduce our risk and keep our digital lives secure. In the world of cybersecurity, your behavior can be your best defense or your worst enemy. Let's make the choice to be our own best defenders. What does the future hold for cybersecurity? It's a question that echoes in our minds as we traverse this digital landscape. As we look ahead, several emerging trends offer intriguing possibilities for the future of cybersecurity. First up, let's talk about artificial intelligence and machine learning. These technologies are no longer just buzzwords. They are becoming integral components of cybersecurity. AI and machine learning can sift through vast amounts of data to identify patterns and anomalies that might indicate a cyber threat. This means they can detect attacks even before they happen, transforming cybersecurity from a reactive to a proactive discipline. Next on the horizon is blockchain technology. Known as the backbone of cryptocurrencies, blockchain has the potential to revolutionize cybersecurity. Its decentralized nature and immutable records offer a robust defense against data tampering and fraud. Blockchain can provide a level of security and transparency that's currently unheard of. Quantum computing, though still in its infancy, holds immense potential for both bolstering and disrupting cybersecurity. On one hand, it could create virtually unbreakable encryption. On the other, it could render current encryption methods obsolete. As we edge closer to the quantum era, it's crucial for cybersecurity strategies to evolve in tandem. Beyond these technological advances, there's a growing need for human expertise. The demand for cybersecurity professionals is skyrocketing as organizations realize the importance of securing their digital assets. This presents a golden opportunity for those considering a career in cybersecurity. So where does this leave us? The future of cybersecurity is a complex tapestry woven with threads of innovation, challenges, and opportunities. It's a constantly evolving field that demands vigilance, expertise, and adaptability. But one thing is certain, as our world becomes more digital, the importance of cybersecurity will only continue to grow. The future of cybersecurity is dynamic and exciting, and we all have a role to play in it. So let's embrace the challenges, harness the opportunities, and together create a safer digital world. In the end, remember this: cybersecurity is a shared responsibility. As we journeyed today through the fascinating world of cybersecurity, we touched on some critical aspects. We started by welcoming you to the digital world, highlighting the importance of understanding the realm we are all a part of, whether we are tech enthusiasts, beginners, or simply internet users. We then demystified cybersecurity, breaking down its complexities into digestible pieces so that everyone can understand its importance. Your knowledge is your power, and understanding cybersecurity is the first step towards building your personal digital fortress. We also discussed how to build that fortress, offering tangible steps and strategies to protect yourself from the ever-evolving cyber threats. In the real world, cybersecurity isn't just a concept, it's a part of our daily lives. We explored how it directly impacts us, showcasing real-life scenarios where cybersecurity measures have either saved the day or unfortunately came up short. We ended by looking ahead at the future of cybersecurity. As technology continues to advance, so too will the methods cybercriminals use to breach our defenses. But fear not, By staying informed and proactive, we can stay one step ahead. Thank you for joining us in this journey through the world of cybersecurity. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay updated on all things cybersecurity. Remember, your digital fortress is your first line of defense. Stay safe, stay secure.